What's stopping you? Are you tired? Don't you have enough energy? Don't you have enough time? Is that what's stopping you right now? Don't you have enough money? Is that the thing? Or is the thing that's stopping you is you? Excuses sound best, but not for successful people. No more excuses. Stop saying I'm tired, I don't have energy, I don't have time, I don't have resources, I don't have opportunities. Do not make lame excuses to console yourself. If you do not have opportunity, then find it or create it. If you do not have money, then make the money. Use the money to make more money. Then repeat the circle. Wake up! It's game on. It's time for you to take advantage of access and the resources that you have. Recognize yourself. Recognize your ability. Recognize the talent that you have. Recognize the excuses are not valid. Recognize the truth. And the truth is that you have time, you have energy, you have resources, and you are not tired. You are everything. This is your chance. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your place. This is your opportunity. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Stop saying I will do it tomorrow. Do it now. No more excuses.